Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello, fellow drivers. Your brake pads are a crucial component for vehicle safety. In this guide, we will give you effective methods to extend the lifespan of your brake pads. Join us as we explore practical tips and maintenance techniques that can help you get the most out of your brake pads, ensuring optimal performance and safety on the road. Extending the lifespan of your brake pads. The lifespan of brake pads is a critical aspect of vehicle maintenance. Understanding the factors that affect their longevity and knowing how to extend their lifespan can contribute to safer driving and cost-effective maintenance. Let's look into the life of brake pads, exploring the common reasons for wear and deterioration, and providing practical tips to increase their lifespan. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply want to ensure your vehicle's optimal performance, this guide will equip you with valuable insights to keep your brake pads in top condition. Understanding brake pads. What are brake pads? Brake pads are a crucial component of a vehicle's braking system. They are the friction material that is pressed against the brake rotor to slow down or stop the vehicle. When you press the brake pedal, the brake pads create friction, converting the vehicle's kinetic energy into heat. This process ultimately brings the vehicle to a halt. Types of brake pads. There are several types of brake pads available, each with its unique characteristics. The most common types include organic, semi-metallic, low metallic, and ceramic brake pads. Organic brake pads are made from materials like rubber, carbon, and glass, offering a quiet and smooth operation. Semi-metallic brake pads, on the other hand, are crafted from a blend of metals and other materials, making them durable and resistant to heat. Low metallic brake pads contain a moderate amount of metal, providing excellent heat transfer and braking performance. Ceramic brake pads are composed of ceramic fibers and non-ferrous filler materials, offering superior stopping power and producing less dust and noise. Importance of brake pads in vehicle safety. Brake pads play a pivotal role in ensuring vehicle safety. Their ability to generate friction and dissipate heat is essential for effective braking, allowing drivers to slow down and stop their vehicles when necessary. Properly functioning brake pads are critical for avoiding accidents, preventing collisions, and maintaining control during sudden stops or emergency situations. Regular inspection and maintenance of brake pads are essential for optimal vehicle safety and overall driving experience. Factors affecting brake pad lifespan. Driving habits and conditions. Your driving habits and the conditions in which you drive play a significant role in the lifespan of your brake pads. Frequent hard braking, such as sudden stops and aggressive driving, can wear down brake pads more quickly. Similarly, driving in heavy traffic or on hilly terrains can lead to increased wear and tear on the brake pads. To maximize the lifespan of your brake pads, aim to maintain a smooth and consistent driving style, anticipate stops to minimize abrupt braking, and avoid overloading the vehicle, especially when driving in challenging conditions. Quality of brake pads. The quality of the brake pads you choose has a direct impact on their lifespan. Opting for high-quality brake pads manufactured by reputable brands ensures that they are designed to withstand prolonged use and offer better durability. Quality brake pads are engineered with advanced materials and superior construction, providing enhanced resistance to heat and friction, ultimately extending their lifespan. When selecting brake pads, prioritize reliability and longevity over cost to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Proper installation and maintenance. The correct installation of brake pads is essential to their longevity. Improperly installed brake pads can lead to uneven wear, reduced effectiveness, and premature deterioration. Whether you rely on a professional mechanic or choose to install them yourself, it's crucial to follow manufacturer guidelines and utilize the appropriate tools and techniques to ensure proper fitment. Additionally, regular maintenance, including inspections for wear, lubrication of moving parts, and prompt replacement when necessary, is vital for extending the lifespan of your brake pads. By adhering to a proactive maintenance schedule, you can identify potential issues early and preserve the condition of your brake pads, increasing their overall lifespan. I've included engaging content that addresses factors affecting brake pad lifespan, with a focus on driving habits and conditions, brake pad quality, and proper installation and maintenance. Signs of worn brake pads. Brake pads are an essential component of your vehicle's braking system, and recognizing the signs of worn brake pads is crucial for maintaining safety on the road. Here are key indicators that your brake pads may need attention. Squealing or grinding noise. One of the most common signs of worn brake pads is the presence of a high-pitched squealing or grinding noise when applying the brakes. This occurs when the brake pads have worn down to the point where the wear indicators come into contact with the rotors. Ignoring this noise can lead to further damage to the braking system and compromise safety. Reduced brake responsiveness. If you notice that your vehicle requires more effort to bring it to a stop or that the braking feels less responsive than usual, it could be a sign of worn brake pads. As the brake pads wear down, the friction material becomes thinner, reducing the efficiency of the braking system and requiring additional pressure on the brake pedal to achieve the same stopping power. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Vibrations or wobbling. Another indication of worn brake pads is the presence of vibrations or wobbling when applying the brakes. This can occur due to uneven wear on the brake pads or the development of hot spots on the rotors. These issues can lead to compromised braking performance and should be addressed promptly to avoid further damage to the braking system. Recognizing these signs of worn brake pads can help you take proactive measures to ensure the safety and functionality of your vehicle's braking system. Regular inspections and maintenance can help identify issues early, increasing the lifespan of your brake pads and maintaining optimal braking performance. Tips to increase brake pad lifespan. Smooth driving practices. When it comes to maximizing the lifespan of your brake pads, your driving style plays a crucial role. Smooth and gradual braking puts less stress on the brake pads compared to abrupt and aggressive braking. By anticipating stops and applying brakes gently, you reduce wear and tear on the pads, ultimately extending their lifespan. Using high-quality brake pads. Investing in high-quality brake pads is a fundamental step in increasing their lifespan. Quality brake pads are designed to withstand heat and friction more effectively, ensuring durability and prolonged usage. Opting for reputable brands and properly researched options can significantly impact the lifespan of your brake pads. Regular inspections and maintenance. Regular inspections and proactive maintenance are key factors in prolonging the lifespan of your brake pads. Checking the thickness of the pads and ensuring proper lubrication and functionality of the braking system can prevent premature wear. Additionally, maintaining proper brake fluid levels and promptly addressing any issues can contribute to the longevity of your brake pads. By incorporating these practices into your driving routine and maintenance schedule, you can effectively enhance the lifespan of your brake pads, ensuring optimal performance and safety while driving. Brake pad bedding process. When it comes to increasing the lifespan of your brake pads, the bedding process is crucial. Properly bedding the brake pads to the rotors ensures an even layer of pad compound on the rotor surface, leading to improved performance and longevity. This process involves a series of gradual stops from moderate speeds to effectively transfer a layer of friction material onto the rotor. By following the manufacturer's guidelines for bedding, you can optimize the contact between the pad and rotor, extending the lifespan of your brake pads. Upgrading brake components. Upgrading brake components can significantly contribute to the longevity of brake pads. Investing in high-quality brake rotors can disperse heat more efficiently, reducing wear on the brake pads. Additionally, upgrading to performance brake pads that are designed to withstand high temperatures and provide better stopping power can extend the lifespan of your braking system. By ensuring that all brake components work harmoniously, you can minimize wear and tear on the brake pads, ultimately increasing their lifespan. Professional maintenance and servicing. Seeking professional maintenance and servicing for your vehicle's braking system is essential for extending the lifespan of brake pads. Professional technicians can inspect the entire braking system, including the brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake fluid, and identify any issues that may affect performance and longevity. Regular maintenance such as brake pad thickness measurements, rotor inspections, and caliper lubrication can prevent premature wear and extend the lifespan of your brake pads. Additionally, professional servicing can address any underlying issues that may contribute to accelerated brake pad wear, ensuring optimal performance and durability. By incorporating these strategies, you can effectively extend the lifespan of your brake pads, ensuring safety and performance while maximizing their longevity. In conclusion, understanding the life cycle of brake pads and implementing measures to increase their lifespan is crucial for ensuring optimal vehicle performance and safety. By adhering to recommended maintenance schedules, utilizing high-quality brake pads, and adopting smooth driving habits, drivers can effectively prolong the lifespan of their brake pads. Additionally, being mindful of warning signs of worn-out brake pads and addressing them promptly can prevent costly repairs and potential safety hazards. Prioritizing the longevity of brake pads not only enhances vehicle efficiency, but also contributes to overall driving safety. Thanks for joining us as we explored the comprehensive guide to extending the lifespan of your brake pads. With these tips and maintenance techniques, you're better equipped to preserve your brake pads and maintain a safe braking system. Stay tuned for more valuable car care insights and tips. Remember, taking care of your brake pads is a step towards safer travels. Drive safe and keep those brakes in top condition. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.